Now, moving on to the problem. In this session, several examples highlighting the application of the future worth method of comparison are presented. So, consider the following two mutually exclusive alternatives. So, alternative A, B, and we are having end of year is 0 to 4 year. So, the initial one is minus 50 lakhs, and then 20 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 20 lakhs, and 20 lakhs, right? So after the down payment of the 50 lakhs, then we are having 20, 20, 20, okay? And here for the alternative B, we are having minus 45 lakhs and then 18, 18 till the next 4 years, okay? So here we are having that is given at the rate of 18 percentage, okay? So we have to find that the select the best alternative based on future worth method of comparison, okay? So here they have given the investment, that is the initial investment of that is principal, okay? So as 50 lakhs in alternative A, and for the alternative B, that is 45 lakhs, right? So, and also that annual equivalent revenue is taken as 20 lakhs for alternative A and 18 lakhs for alternative B. And we are having the interest rate I as 18 percentage as given, and that is also compounded annually. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So compounded annually, and life of the alternative A is also 4 years. So we are having that the future worth amount of the alternative A is computed as, that is actually alternative A, okay, so mistake. Okay, so A is computed as, yeah, we are knowing the formula, right? You can substitute it. So that is principal, that is minus 50 lakhs into F by P. So you're knowing about this F by P in the previous unit, right? So you just take it down, the previous unit, and you can substitute that particular value here, okay? And also I as 18 percentage, and that is the life of alternative as 4, okay? And then for annual equivalent revenue, we are having 20 lakhs, and also that F by A, right? So that all, the value is of 18 percentage, and 4 life of alternative, right? So this F by A is also in the previous chapter, so you can verify it. So you have to adopt that particular factor in place of F by P and F by A, and then you can substitute it, okay? And you will get the value. And likewise for alternative B, you have to find, okay? So again, as I said earlier, the initial investment is of principal B, that is minus 45 lakhs, and then the annual equivalent revenue will be 18, and the life of alternative for B is 4 years, right? And also compounded annually and 18 percentage interest. You can also use the same, and for the future B, and you can find, okay? So you have to adopt whichever is greater. So here 735, that is 7 lakhs 35,000 and 6 lakhs 61,500. So whichever is greater, right? So that's what that we said in future word. So you can take this 7 lakhs 35,000, okay? But don't forget that whatever you're getting, that factor, particular factor, you have to adopt it. So refer your classwork note previously about the factor F by P and F by A, and work it out. So likewise now, a man owns a corner plot. He must decide which of the several alternatives to select in trying to obtain a desirable return on his investment. After much study and calculation, he decides that the two best alternatives are as given in the following table. First cost is 20 lakhs for building gas station, and for ice cream stand, that is 36 lakhs. And annual property tax is 80,000 here for gas station, and for ice cream it is 1 lakh 50,000, and annual income is 8 lakhs for gas station and 9 lakhs 80,000 for ice cream stand. And life of building in years, that is for gas station is 20 years and ice cream station is also 20 years. And also there is no any value given for the salvage. Okay. And it is also given that the evaluate the alternative based on the future worth method at the interest rate I as 12 percentage. Okay. So here they have given the taxes, that is a property tax and as well as the annual income, right? So you have to reduce the property tax so that you will get the net annual income, right? So here the first cost is we have 20,000 for building gas station. So in that the annual property tax is 80 and then annual income is 80, 8 lakhs. So for that you have to deduct the annual property tax with the annual income, and you will get an amount that is 7 lakhs 20,000 rupees. Okay. And also they have given the life of the building is of 20 years, and the annual and the interest rate of 12% compounded annually. So that is an annual pattern. Okay. So here the future worth of alternative one is computed as, so that is as we saw earlier. So the first principal cost with f by p. So again, you check out with the previous one f by p with a particular factor, and along with that you have to say what is the 12%. I mean the 12% is I, right? So with 20 of lifespan and 7 lakhs 20,000, that is net annual income along with it f by a and 12% 20. Okay. So and you will get the answer. So similarly, you have to do it for the alternative 2, right? So you have to check out whichever is greater, you have to adopt that. So ultimately that the alternative 1 is higher than that of the alternative 2. Okay, so next we will go to cost dominated cash flow diagram. Okay, cost dominated cash flow diagram. So in cost dominated cash flow diagram, the outflow will be assigned as positive, and the profit revenue salvage, that is all the inflow, will be termed as negative. Okay. So, in this example, the cash flow diagram of two mutually exclusive alternatives are given in figure number 5.7 and 5.8. So, here the principal is amount is 5 lakhs, and then uh, 50, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 50, 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs 50,000, and then 3 lakhs. So you're knowing that it's G is, I think, 50, right? The gradually it's moving. And also A1 is also 50, right? So the A1 is the income during the first year, right? I hope that you're remembering it, that we already saw in the present worth method of, I think, comparison, right? So A1 is all about income during the first year, and then the G is the annual increase in the income. Okay, so here they have given 6 years tenure. So the lifespan will be N as taken as the 6 years. Okay, so now you can have the formula of the present worth of alternative, that is minus P into F by P, right? So you're knowing about the F by P. Please check out the previous chapters which we have. I have already mentioned that. So you can use that and solve this problem. Okay, so F by P, and we have I as 8 percentage and N as 6. Okay, so plus into A1 plus G into, so that is the factor is A by G and 8 percentage with 6N. Okay, so into F by A, interest is 8 percentage and N is 6. Okay, then you can solve this. And similarly for alternative 2, we have mean you can substitute the same and get the value. Okay, so because here for the alternative 2 they have given 7 lakhs and 70,000 and 70,000, right? 7 lakhs 70,000 and then 70,000 of G. Okay, so you can substitute it and get the value. So the future worth of the alternative 2 is more than that of the alternative 1. So you are opting with alternative 2. So and here they have said that rework out of part A with 9 percentage and 20 percentage. Okay, so now instead of 8 percentage, you can check out with 9 percentage and 20 percentage. Okay, so so here you can adopt it with the 9 percentage. Okay, that is for the first diagram. Okay, and then again for the alternative you are opting with the 9 percentage and checking out. Okay, and again reevaluating with the 20 percentage of I interest, and you can verify the values, right? So suppose here you're having a negative value. So negative value means that you are encountering some kind of a loss. See, loss is there. Okay. So here you just try to work out this 5.4. Here they have given the salvage value. after 12 years. So you can try to work out this particular problem. Okay, so including of salvage value. So remember, salvage value will be uh, minus here in this part. Okay, and you can carry over the same methods. No any differences are there, but keep in mind to take the appropriate factors and proceed with the problem. Okay, so I wish that you will work out with this problem and also try to work out this yeah, this any two in this these questions. Okay, try to note it down, and also you can try to just on a paper you can read the question and take a hint how this can be workable or not, so that it'll be easy for you. You don't need to do full calculations, so just try how this exactly works. Okay, so that's it. And if you have any issues or anything, then you can just put it in the classroom or else in the WhatsApp, and I'll just get back to you. And I also request that to find out that all the factors and everything when you are doing these calculations on tomorrow. Okay, so check it out and get back to me.